Heather Lynn with Keller Williams Palo Alto. I'm very excited today to be highlighting my latest listing in Menlo Park for you. 1450 Hill Avenue here in Menlo Park. This location is only 5 minutes away from 101 and it's walking distance to the Facebook headquarters. There are many parks within the 3 blocks radius that if you have children, that would be a great place to hang out and take a walk around the neighborhood. This location is also very close to shopping. One of my favorite restaurants, the Backyard Caribbean Grill, is actually not far away from here, so that's a great place for takeout. This home here is very unique. As you can see, most of the home is enclosed within the fence. This home comes with a beautiful rose garden front yard and a nice backyard. So you got the enclosed front yard and the enclosed backyard in the front. And there's still plenty of parking on the driveway. This wood panel behind it is a carport, which is used as a storage shed right now. There's additional carport over here behind this low fence, which is currently being used as a storage area as well. The previous owner has a motorcycle, so this is where she parked her motorcycle. Over here in the one-car garage, the garage has been converted to a small guest cottage, which I'm going to show you later. So come on in, let me give you a tour of the inside. So behind the front gate, you will come into this really private and quiet front yard. The previous owner has a wonderful green thumb. She has planted many of the fragrant rose bushes along the fence. So you could hang out here in the sitting area, have a cup of coffee, overlooking the beautiful blooms in front of you. Or you can hang out in the grass area. The previous owner has 2 huge dogs, so her dogs like to just hang out, run around in the front and the backyard. Let me show you the main house. The first space you're going to see is this combo living room, dining room, and open kitchen area. There is a planter window by the front yard. Again, the current owner has a love for her garden. She has several plants in front of the window, so you get to see the greenery in front. When you're sitting right here, you have a really good view of your rose garden. Next to the kitchen is the master suite. So this home, although it's about 1280 in total square footage, it has 4 bedrooms and 2 full beds. So let me show you the master suite. This is the master suite. It does have its own side entrance that gives you access to the outside and the backyard. And then the master bathroom has just been recently remodeled less than a year ago. The popular white and gray color scheme, so really beautifully done. You know, obviously we have several mirrors here and this bathroom was updated recently. The medicine cabinet here allows you to put additional toiletries, so nice additional storage right here. The shower finished with white marble tiles. This is the kitchen area. It's kind of a U shape, but it allows you a very natural flow into the kitchen from the dining area as well as the living area. There's a couple of skylights in the kitchen area that allows more natural light to flow through the home, give it ample natural light. Let's come down to the hallway. The other 3 bedroom and guest bath is tucked away towards the back of the house, which has a nice separation from the master bedroom. So if you have guests over, your bedroom is towards the front of the house and the rest of the bedrooms are towards the back. So there's a nice separation. Three nice-sized bedrooms here with lots of natural light coming through the large windows in each bedroom and a fully equipped guest bath in the hallway, finished with tiles. And over here we have a linen closet that allow you to put additional linens or function as a coat closet, a combination of both. This home is finished with nice hardwood floors all throughout, so very easy to clean. And later on, after a while, it's also very easy to sand it down and change it to a different stain color if you were to change your flooring. So another unique feature about this home is the open beam ceiling. So you have the hardwood floors on the bottom and the open beam ceiling on the top. So it gives you a little wooded cottage feel to this home. So there's a bonus area to this house is the converted garage. The current owner converted the one-car garage into a tiny living guest cottage. Let me show you, it's quite neat in there. So this space is about 250 square feet. Literally, it used to be a one-car garage. But look at how fully functional this space is. We have double sink over here with plenty of cabinets and shelf space. And over here, we have a small 24-inch stove, but it's got a 4-burner stove and an oven and a vent hood above it. So it's fully functional even though it's small space. And we have a folding table with some chairs underneath. So if you need more space, just fold it away. Again, there are plenty of shelf space for additional plates and glassware. And this space is a fully functioning kitchen and dining area. Let me show you the living and the sleeping area. There is a bunk bed, actually a platform being securely mounted to the beam and the post. So this thing is very sturdy. Above it, you could easily put a full-size mattress on top. So you have the sleeping area on top and the living area at the bottom. And you could still put a nice entertainment system over here, maybe mounted a flat screen TV over here. So you have the living space watching TV, and then when you're ready to go to bed, just hop on over to the platform and sleep on top. And this whole space is about 100 square feet, and it has everything that you need in the living/sleeping quarter. Pretty neat, huh? And then it also comes with a closet. So additional storage everywhere. Obviously, with tiny living space, we gotta have more shelf space. You see a lot more shelves. There are actually additional shelves that we have taken down. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. So there's a mirror on the door, and then there's a toilet and a fully functioning shower. There is no sink because the sink is just right outside the door. So very unique. There was a single guy who lives here. He was really happy. He seemed to have all the space he needs and still plenty of space for storage. Let me show you the backyard. So this is the backyard. It's nicely fenced, so it's very enclosed and private and peaceful. A perfect space if you have pets for them to roam around at the end of the day or come out to go to the bathroom if you have dogs. Here is a little side yard space where you could have patio furniture or barbecue grill. There is a laundry hookup towards the back of the covered patio, and that's where you do your laundry. The machines has been removed, but the hookups are there. Yeah, and again, more beautiful rose bushes all along the fence, which were planted by the previous owner. Roses tend to be very low maintenance, not too much water is needed. So those rose bushes are very robust. They just grow throughout the spring and summer season. Another nice feature about this property is that there's plenty of mature fruit trees. We see lemon, we see oranges. I'm not sure, I think we have pampa trees. Not sure what that tree is, but plenty of mature fruit trees. So the combination of beautiful rose bushes and mature fruit tree will allow you to get in touch with the green thumb inside of you. If you have more questions about this home or like to have a private tour, I'm happy to meet you here and give you a personalized tour. Just give me a call.